Hey guys, it's Leanne, and today I'm going to tell you about bullet journals. Here are a few of my bullet journals. I've been bullet journaling for about 7 years now. Today I'm going to take you through my newest bullet journal. I'm just going to do a really simplistic layout for you to get started. This bullet journal is the original Blue Trim. This one's pretty good. It has 206 pages. I love the dots. I don't know if you can see that. Also, it comes with these 3 ribbons. You can organize it accordingly. Another really cool resource that I use all the time is this case, but also what's inside it, which is a tiny, cute sprocket little printer thing. It's super compact. So this is the iPhone 13 mini, and it's pretty small. Here are some 2x3 printed photos. So I bought a ton of these because I use these all the time. You just download an app to your phone, and then you can print whatever is in your phone, and it's pretty awesome. So I recommend this one. I usually start my books with a table of contents so I know where everything is and what I can reference to. I actually have been looking back at my bullet journals. One thing that I've noticed is if it's prettier, then I like looking at it and I like using it more often. I also have my vision board of things through my life, and then this is like 1-year goals. They are my personal, spiritual, mental, physical, financial, relationships, career, business, and miscellaneous. Here's my 90-day plan, 30, 60, 90 days, and then I have little post-it notes with the goals on it. I like to do a monthly layout where I put the highlights of the month, any milestones or firsts that I have or that my family has, and a list of events or things that are happening that month, and then a list of favorites like music, books, movies, whatever, and then a list of goals that I have for that month specifically, and then the stop, start, and things to continue doing that I've been doing a good job at. This is my monthly layout. I have monthly goals here, and then this is gratitudes and intention, and some pictures from the month. And here's my review of accomplishments, what worked, what didn't work, and what to change. I also like doing a page ideas list so that I can reference that if I run out of ideas or if I want to add to things. And then I like doing a weekly routine and a monthly routine of things just to organize my brain and organize my time and energy. So I'll give you a quick little tour in some of them. So I usually have post-it notes so I can reference things and stick them wherever if I have like a shopping list or something.
There's things falling out left and right.
But that's good, there is a pocket for that, which I did not put them in the pocket, which I probably should have. This is like my week layout, and then I have the post-it notes here. And then I have these cute little heart paper clips. And then I have random things like Spanish vocab. I was learning some school stuff. Some other ideas include a book list, and then you put a progress bar and then you color it in when you're done with it. If I'm going on a trip, I would usually lay out like what I'm gonna bring, mostly clothes, electronics, toiletries, and miscellaneous. And then I plan like what I'm gonna do that day and then what clothes I would need to bring. This is another one. I laid out my home and like where everything is, and I envisioned what kind of home I would want. Some of them include clean, temple-like, peaceful. Even now, I have like a music area, a recording area, a hanging out area, kitchen, and everything. So another thing is to outline like date night, girls night. For October, we had a boo basket thing where we had a gift basket of things that we assembled for other girls in our workplace. And then we also had a costume contest, and I was planning a gratitude tree and trick-or-treat thing at work. I did a no-buy list, things to avoid, because especially on Amazon, I have a little issue there. And then shopping wish list of big ticket items like a new camera. Another one is a family newsletter, which I outlined some ideas here with names, birthdays, and ages of people. This is probably going to be monthly for highlights that happened, like any new members of my family, popular events, or highlights that happened in the world, and any accomplishments or milestones from each family member, and then a member spotlight of someone from my family that I'll ask a couple of questions, and then people can get to know each other more. We're all in different areas, and this is one way that we can stay in contact and stay updated about each other's lives. Another really cool thing that I learned from one of my mission friends was the do, doing, done flow chart thing. So I usually cut up these post-it notes into little sections, and then I have a list of things to do. And then when it's in progress, I place it here on the doing section, and then when it's finished, I move it here. And it's so satisfying just trying to move everything to the done side, so I recommend that. Another idea is a list of skills that you want to learn. This is my list, and you can do a progress bar of the level of proficiency that you want to be at. Another thing that I've been doing is a what's on my plate section, where I draw a plate and then sometimes like a fork and knife, and then I write things that are on my mind or things that I'm working on, such as projects or duties or responsibilities, like my job, going to the gym, video editing, things like that. Another thing that I found helpful is splitting the page in half so that you have two sections, and it's a lot easier to write and read what you're doing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys can start on your bullet journal, even if it's not a bullet journal, just a regular journal. That's okay too, you gotta start somewhere. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this provided some value to you. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.